Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all a traditional rice dish in the Gullah community, crab rice. It's full of fresh crab meat and sautéed vegetables. And you can serve this as a side dish with fried chicken, even gumbo. You can substitute the white rice and add crab rice to it. Or a meal to itself, a one-pot meal. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Y'all gonna love this dish, and everybody will go back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Gullah red rice recipe and my previous video, carrot cake cookies. I'll post the link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your rice, your vegetables, and your crab meat sugar, because we're about to cook some Gullah crab rice magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our veggies. Over here I have my holy trinity, 1 yellow onion, or you can use a white onion, 1 stalk of celery, 1 green bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and a tomato. We're going to dice them up. Alrighty, so now we're going to set our veggies aside while we cook our rice. In my saucepan, I have 1 cup of long grain white rice, and I rinsed it. Very important to rinse the rice to get rid of the starch. And into our rice, we're going to add in 2 cups of vegetable broth. Give our rice a lot of flavor. So now I'm going to turn my fire on to high. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the rice has came to a boil, so all we do now is cover the pot. Gonna cut the heat down to low. And all we do is let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, let's take a look at the rice. Oh yeah. You see how all the liquid absorbed? Gonna fluff it up. Perfectly cooked white rice. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna remove it from my burner and cover it and set it aside. So now I'm gonna get my pan heat up. Over here I have my cast iron skillet, and I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Going to swirl it around. The butter will give it flavor and has the water contents, and the oil will help give our vegetables a nice fry to it. So all we do now is let it get hot. Alrighty, my friends, the butter has melted and the pan's nice and hot. So now we're going to add in our holy trinity, onion, celery, and bell pepper, and the garlic. Yeah, love that sizzle. Music to my ears. Now I'm going to add in a little kosher salt to help sweat the veggies. And give it a quick stir. Alrighty. So now we're going to let the veggies saute for about 5 minutes until they're translucent. Alrighty, my friends, our trinity and garlic is nice and translucent. This smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of celery, bell pepper, onions, and garlic cooking. About to be something magical. Alrighty. To our sauteed veggies, we're going to add in the star of the show, the crab meat. I have 1 pound of clawed crab meat. Very traditional in Gullah crab rice. Going to be nice and crabby. Now we're going to add in a heavy sprinkling of seafood seasoning. Give it a quick stir. So now we're going to let this cook for another 5 minutes until the crab meat is brown. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, our crab meat is nice and brown. Nothing like the smell of fresh crab meat. And I forgot to mention, make sure you remove any shells from the crab meat. So now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. Our diced tomatoes and our cooked rice. It's just like making fried rice. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Crab meat and rice and veggies doesn't get any better than that. Give it a quick stir. Alrighty, so all we do now is cover our pan. And we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh, yeah. And look at the colors. Oh, my mouth's watering. So now I'm about to cut my heat off. And now I'm going to pour it into my bowl and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have poured my crab rice into my bowl. There's one more thing we got to add to it. Sprinkle in fresh parsley. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Gullah crab rice. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The rice is tender. The crab meat is sweet and succulent, bursting with flavor. This crab rice is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Gullah crab rice licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.